This problem says decreasing -5 times a number by 18 is equal to decreasing 9 times a number by 25. So let's go ahead and do step number 1, highlight the key words. You should have highlighted decreasing, that means subtraction, times means you're multiplying, is or is equal to is equals, and again there's another decreasing and times. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to define the variable. What is it exactly that we do not know? Well, we do not know the number. So x is going to equal the number. Step number 3, what are we comparing? We know we have is equal to, so we're going to have two things that are equal to each other. Now let's go ahead and as we read the words, let's put the symbols in. So decreasing does mean subtraction, and it is not one of those turnaround phrases. So we're going to take -5 times the number and then decrease it by 18, which means we're going to subtract 18. So that would be -5 times the number, which is x, and then decrease it by 18 means we're going to subtract 18. Then it says is equal to, so now we're going to put our equal sign in. And then we're going to decrease 9 times the number by 25. So 9 times the number will be 9x, and we're going to decrease that by 25, which means subtract 25. So this should be the equation that you should have written down for that word problem.